your girl Trish. Welcome back to my channel for another video. If you guys are new here, welcome. If you guys are not new here, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys all the goodies that I picked up from SAS. That's right, winter semi-annual sale from Bath & Body Works. So we're gonna get right into the products, you guys. But before we get into that, please be sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video and leave me a comment, a nice little comment down in the comment section. So I didn't pick up too many things simply because I already have a lot. I already have like a collection of scents. I practically have the whole store, so I only went in there for certain things. I really wanted some body creams to some of the scents that I already have, because some scents that I have only have the lotion too, and around this time of the year I prefer body creams and body butter. So I went to pick up some body creams and some shower gels to complete some of my sets. And with that being said, we're just gonna get into my bags. So I'm gonna start with these two bags here of things that I got. All right, so first thing, I will start with the only set that I got. So the only set that I got here was Twinkling Midnight Sky. Did not have this one before, so I picked up the body cream, I picked up the shower gel, and I picked up the body mist. This was one of the scents I've been wanting to get, but I never got around to getting it, so I was more than happy to go ahead and just pick it up for $4.95. So this one has notes of midnight flowers, sparkling vanilla, and iced blackberry. So we're just gonna give this a little spray test really quick. This one has a sweet berry scent to it, and I really like it. It's really comforting as well. I can't smell too much of the floral, but I definitely get the vanilla and the blackberry. Like I said, it has like a sweet vanilla, sweet berry scent to this scent. So I got those three things, and then I went ahead and picked up the body cream and the moisturizing body wash to Snowflakes and Cashmere. This is one of my favorite scents that I'm liking right now. Definitely had to pick these two up. I already have the lotion. I have the lotion, I have the shower gel, and I have the spray to it, but I went ahead and picked up the moisturizing body wash. So I do really enjoy the moisturizing body washes, so I picked this one up. And I went ahead and I picked up the body cream. Now one of these, I did make an online order first, but in that online order it just included this, and like I think 2 other or 3 other body creams. So that's that. The next thing I picked up was the shower gel to Fireside Flurries. I did not have the body wash for this one. I went ahead and picked it up. I want to try to go ahead and get a backup of this shower gel before SAS is over. The next 2 items I got was from Twisted Peppermint. I picked up the body cream and I got the body wash. I did not have the body wash for this one, nor did I have any type of lotion or body cream for it, but I do have the body butter. I wanted to pick up the body cream, so I picked it up. I really like this scent. It's the sweet candy cane / peppermint scent. I'm really liking it. It's really comforting, so I went ahead and I got these 2 things here. And then I picked up the vanilla mocha cream shower gel. Did not pick up this one when I bought this set in the body cream and the body mist. Had to pick this one up. I really like this scent, and I went ahead and picked up the whipped rose latte shower gel. I wish they had the shower gel from Cozy Sunday Morning, but they didn't, but it's fine. So yeah, definitely had to pick up these 2 here. And that's all for all the body washes I picked up. I went ahead and picked up a backup of the Joyous Sugared Snickerdoodle body cream. I really love this scent, you guys. So I definitely had to pick this one up. The next body cream I picked up was Frosted Coconut Snowball. Had to pick this one up. I've been really enjoying this scent here. Is really it has a sweet comforting coconut scent to it that I really love. It's you know, we have a whole lot of different like coconut scents and stuff like that, but something is different about this one. It's just really comforting and warm and sweet, and it's slightly gourmand. I really love this scent. So I definitely went ahead and picked up the body cream, because I did not have a body cream for this one either. The next scent that I picked up in body cream was Hope Winter Peach Marshmallow. Really love this scent. I really wanted the body butter for this one. I had the lotion, but I had to get the body cream, so definitely had to pick this one up. And the next thing I got here is, the next body cream I got here is Pinkberry Clouds. This is one scent that I picked up during the summer, and I did not pick up the I have a lotion, but I wanted a body cream, so I had to get this pick this one up. Wanted to go ahead and complete the set because the last time I did a haul here on this channel, I bought the body scrub, so I figure I'll go ahead and complete the package and get this body cream. So I have a small bag here of some other things that I picked up. So the first thing in this bag that I picked up that I was really happy to see was the Wellness Collection Elderberry Extract with Vitamin B5 Bubble Bath. I was so happy to see this. This is what the bottle looks like. I wish they had more bottles. I saw this one just sitting lonely on the 75% off counter. It was actually 50% off, not 75% off, but I was still happy enough to go ahead and get it, because originally this bubble bath is $16.50, so I got it for probably $8.25. So yeah, so I wish I was able to get another one, but it's fine. This is enough to, you know, get me a while. I really wanted to get the aromatherapy, I think it's eucalyptus and spearmint bubble bath, but they said that one was like completely sold out when the sale started. So yeah, the next exciting thing I was really happy to get was the Bonfire Bash body butter. I don't know why I did not get two of these, because I really like the scent of this body butter. And it's not a glotion, it's a regular body butter. I do prefer the regular body butters over the glotion, like the glow body butters. It's fine, but yeah, I wish I really would have picked up another one of these. If I'm lucky enough, I may go back and see if I can find another one of these body butters, because it just smells so good. There was a few bottles that I came across, and like the cream was like kind of like laying all over the place. I was just like, I want one that is perfectly whipped or somewhat whipped and looks nice or whatever. So when I saw this one here, I had to pick it up. It just smells so good. Bonfire Bash, that scent is, it's just perfect. It's just perfect. It's warm, it's cozy. You get that toasted vibe from it, but you still get that sweetness from it. It just smells so good. So I was really happy to pick this up, because I did not get a chance to pick this one up during the Body Care Day sale. The next thing I picked up were some minis. So I went ahead and got Mary Cookie. And I also picked up the Merry Christmas Iced Cinnamon Rolls one. These ones, both of these smell really good. This one smells like a sugar cookie. Smells like a sugar cookie. I wish they had the notes on it so I can tell you guys the notes, but it does not have notes on the bottle. So this is what Merry Cookie looks like again. And then for Merry Christmas Iced Cinnamon Rolls, this one just smells, this smells just like cinnamon. It smells just like cinnamon. It smells really good though. Next two things I got were two hand creams. I got the Mary Cookie hand cream, and then I got the hot cocoa and cream hand cream. I really enjoy these little hand creams, so every time they have a sale, I do like pick up like 2 or 3 of them. And the last two things I got were lip glosses, you guys. So I got the Frosted Cranberry lip gloss, and then I also got the Frosted Icing lip gloss. Y'all, these lip glosses are so good. It's not the glitter lip gloss that we're used to seeing in the other scents. These are clear lip glosses, and it's very moisturizing and soft on the lips. I really want to go back and get more, because there's like 2 other scents that they have. I really want to get like 2 more of this Frosted Icing one, because it smells so good, you guys. It smells so good. And like I said, it's just a regular clear gloss. It doesn't have no like glitter or shimmer to it. It's just clear and moisturizing. You can see that. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's just clear. This one smells so good, you guys, and this one just smells just like cranberry. So my thoughts on SAS this winter season that we're in, it wasn't as good, you guys. It wasn't as good as it was during summertime, and it really wasn't as exciting. I thought they was gonna bring back some of the older scents, and they didn't really bring back any of the older scents. They didn't bring out they had a few like scents, like summer scents or whatever, like the summertime surf and like a pink watermelon, but I really don't care for, like, I don't care to smell like fruits. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of watermelon scents, so I did not care much for the pink watermelon one, so that was a pass for me. The summertime surf, it was nice, but it wasn't nice enough for me to get. And then they had some other ones there that's, I guess, kind of new, but I didn't really care to get, because I've gotten to a point where with my collection, if I don't really love it, I'm not gonna get it, because I already have a lot of scents that I'm using and that I'm loving. And so if I feel like I'm not gonna use the scent and I don't like it as much, I'm not gonna get it. I really wish they would have brought back some other scents. I really wanted to get white t-shirt. That's a scent that's really talked about and is really intriguing. I would love to get my hands on that scent, but they didn't have it. And then I wish they would have had like Christmas cookies in stores. I really want to get that one. I might just place an online order for that one. I really wanted to get the Sleigh Ride Snuggles. I really like that one. And then like the frosted I think it's called like frosted snowball or snowflakes or something like that. Those are the 3 scents I really wanted to get, but they didn't have those 3 in stores, so I'm just gonna have to place an online order for those 3. So yeah, that is my little haul and thoughts on SAS. Will I go back? I probably will, because I really want to get another one of these, and I want to get some more of the lip glosses, and that's it. I don't plan on getting no other scent, you guys, and maybe some aromatherapy stuff, because I really wanted to get some aromatherapy stuff, but I'm trying to wait till they kind of mark it down a little bit more, because it's just 50% off and their aromatherapy stuff is not cheap. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy my haul. Let me know down in the comment sections if you guys plan on shopping the sale, and if you did shop the sale, let me know what you guys picked up. So I will see you guys in my next video.